As good as last year's Galaxy Book 2 Pro series were in what they offered, there are times we thought to ourselves if it really deserved the Pro label. It looks like Samsung this time around is ready to take another crack and prove that the Galaxy Book 3 Pro and Pro 360 deserve the Pro label. Hi, Ben from Sam Mobile. If you enjoy new and exclusive videos like this, then be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any new videos on YouTube with Sam Mobile TV. Here is our quick first look and hands-on with the Galaxy Book 3 Pro and Book 3 Pro 360. The Galaxy Book 3 Pro now comes in two different sizes, which consist of a 14-inch model and 16-inch model. The Galaxy Book 3 Pro 360 comes only in a 16-inch model size. If we start with the Galaxy Book 3 Pro, this is based on the traditional clamshell design we've come to know and use on laptops, with two colors that are available, like before, in the beige and graphite, using a clean matte finish in a metal chassis. The 14-inch model comes in a nice slim profile that weighs in at 1.17 kilograms, with the 16-inch model coming in at 1.56 kilograms. The Galaxy Book 3 Pro 360 comes in the same two colors, with the 16-inch model size coming in at 1.66 kilograms for the Wi-Fi only model and 1.71 kilograms for the 5G model. As early first look goes, these are great and well-designed laptops. The only thing we are still struggling with is the lack of centering of the trackpad, which still offsets more to be on the left. For the display, this is one area we feel sees the biggest upgrade and now more than ever justifies the Galaxy Book 3 Pro's Pro label. The 16-inch Galaxy Book 3 Pro, for example, has an upgraded dynamic AMOLED 2X display with a 3K resolution at 2880 by 1800, a 500 nit brightness, and finally a 120Hz high refresh rate. Considering the previous was using a full high definition 1080p display with 60Hz, this is a much needed upgrade that we are really glad to see. No exact word on the 14-inch resolution, but we do believe it to be a 1440p panel and benefits from the high brightness and also the 120Hz additions. On top of that, the aspect ratio of the displays are now 16:10, which is much better suited and favored for productivity. The Book 3 Pro 360 benefits from the same upgrades to the display as the normal clamshell laptop, with a 3K resolution and 120Hz, but with the addition of S Pen support for the display, which in turn does make the display touchscreen as well. The S Pen, to our knowledge, is included, but if anything changes with these laptops when they're available for purchase, we will be sure to update you. Intel Evo with 13th Gen Core i7 and i5 are at the heart of the performance of both the Galaxy Book 3 Pro 14 and 16-inch and also the Galaxy Book 3 Pro 360, backed with Intel's Iris Xe graphics across all models. Both models have the option for 8, 16, and 32GB of RAM and 256GB, 512GB, and 1TB of internal storage using NVMe. The Book 3 Pro and Book 3 Pro 360 have a full array of ports with two Thunderbolt 4 ports, a full-size USB-A 3.2 port, HDMI 1.4 output, microSD slot, and also a 3.5mm headphone port. Not sure why we don't at least have HDMI 2.0 or even HDMI 2.1, as HDMI 1.4 is limited to just 4K UHD 30Hz output. The Galaxy Book 3 Pro 360 has the option of a nano SIM card slot for 5G connectivity if you choose to purchase that variant. We couldn't really test the performance in any meaningful way in this situation, but with a good port selection and the power of Intel 13th Gen processors, we should see good performance gains all around. Windows 11 will be the default OS running out of the box for both models of the Galaxy Book 3 Pro series. What really makes the Windows 11 experience more unique to the Galaxy Book 3 Pro series is Samsung's focus on the connected experience with features like multi-control and second screen, which allow for a seamless control of your Galaxy devices when across different operating systems like Android on your phone and your Galaxy tablet. Features like Phone Link, which enables instant hotspot and tethering to your laptop from your Galaxy phone so you're seamlessly connected on the go, and having a dedicated Galaxy Book Smart Switch app for an easier data transfer experience when coming from your previous device. This really marries the values of One UI integrated into the Windows 11 software experience. Pricing and availability of the Galaxy Book 3 Pro series will be in the description below. What's your thoughts on the improvements brought forward to the Galaxy Book 3 Pro and Book 3 Pro 360? Let us know in the comment section below. For the latest news in the world of Samsung Daily, be sure to visit us at sammobile.com. And for the latest videos on YouTube with Sam Mobile TV, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications, and we will see you next time.